Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today I will give you the lesson for short class kelas 3 ya. Page 93 about asking and giving an opinion. Asking and giving an opinion. Asking and giving an opinion. Nah, di sini kan ada 5 pertanyaan, tapi nanti ada bercabang pertanyaannya. Jadi nanti ini untuk 1 minggu dulu ya. Jadi malam Selasa dan Selasa pagi itu nomor 1, malam Kamis dan Kamis pagi itu nomor 2, malam Sabtu itu nomor 3. Oke? Begini contohnya. Jadi yang pertama mu'alim itu pronounce dulu, latihan dulu bagaimana caranya Ado itu bisa menyampaikan dengan baik. Oke, check it out. Number 1. What do you think? Think, bukan think ya. Jadi, what do you think? Coba, think. Bisa? Think. Okay. What do you think about Darul Mukni? Apa yang kamu pikirkan tentang Darul Mukni? Nah, di sini kan ada cabang-cabangnya pertanyaannya. Ada teacher, ada facilities, ada room, ada language, ada students, ada environment, ada mosque, ada mosque, bukan mosque ya, mosque. Ada food, ada classes, ada office. Nah, etc itu etc artinya dan lain-lain. Jadi nanti mu'alim bisa nambahin. Kalau memang waktunya masih ada, jadi bisa nambahin. Jadi yang pertama talfiz dulu. What do you think about Darul Mukni? Teacher, facilities, room, language, students, environment, mosque, food, classes, office. Gurunya, fasilitasnya, kamarnya, bahasanya, siswanya, lingkungannya, masjidnya, makanannya, kelasnya, kantornya. Nah, example. What do you think about Darul Mukni teacher? Nah, nanti teacher itu ngasih, mu'alim ini ngasih contoh. Apa yang kamu pikirkan tentang guru-guru Darul Mukni, misalkan kayak gitu. Nah, teacher itu bisa ngasih example. I think Darul Mukni teacher is very kind, humble, and I love Darul Mukni teacher. Nah, itu optional ya. Jadi nanti depend on the student. Makanya nanti mu'alim nyiapin kata-kata sifat tentang mu'alim. Misalkan baik, kind, humble, atau bisa kepala batu, stubborn, kayak gitu. Itu yang pertama ya. Kemudian what do you think about Darul Mukni facilities? Fasilitasnya gimana? For example, I think Darul Mukni facilities very good because we find a high building, there are 3 floors, ada 3 lantai, or the facilities are good enough, there is DM Mart, DM Cafe, DM Chicken, and others. Nah, that is about facilities. And about room, bagaimana kamarnya? Oh, for example, I think the room in Darul Mukni is good enough because not too hot, tidak terlalu panas, and I like in Darul Mukni room. Misalnya gitu. Oh, studentnya, what do you think about Darul Mukni student? I think Darul Mukni student very smart or always sleep in the class, misalkan kayak gitu. Jadi nanti bisa dikembangkan. For the example, contoh gini, ada Darul Mukni student always sleep. Nah, nanti mu'alim bisa menanyakan, what's the problem that the student sleep in the class? Apa masalahnya? Maybe the student sleep in the class because of they stay up at night, begadang tengah malam, atau they eat noodle, misalkan habis makan mie, or they eat rice, fried rice, nasi goreng kayak gitu. Kemudian environment, lingkungannya gimana? What do you think about Darul Mukni environment? Nah, I think Darul Mukni environment is bla 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 bla, misalkan gitu. Is clean and good for life, misalkan baik untuk hidup gitu. And then mosque. What do you think about Darul Mukni mosque? Darul Mukni mosque is very good because when I pray in that mosque, apa gitu misalkan gitu. And then food. What do you think about Darul Mukni food? I think Darul Mukni food is so expensive, misalkan mahal. Nah, what kind of food that expensive? Makanan apa yang mahal, misalkan gitu. Nah, for example, pop mie, that's expensive. Or you can say Darul Mukni food is cheap, murah. Nah, begitu ya. Jadi nanti bisa dikembangkan pertanyaannya. Kemudian, what do you think about Darul Mukni classes? Kelasnya gimana Darul Mukni nih? The class in the Darul Mukni I think is good and also is not good. Why not good? Misalkan, because in my class there is no chair, for the example. And then about the office, gimana office-nya, kantornya? I think in Darul Mukni office is very good because there are lot of CCTV, lot of computer and others. Oke, itu buat malam Selasa sama Selasa pagi. Dan malam Kamisnya nomor 2. What do you think about language in Darul Mukni? Gimana bahasanya Darul Mukni? Rules, peraturannya gimana? Do you think that the rules about language in Darul Mukni has fair, udah adil? Or you don't agree about that rules? Apakah kamu tidak suka dengan peraturan itu? I think the rules is in Darul Mukni is good, maybe because when I speak Indonesian, I get the punishment. For example, I speak, saya mau makan, I got 10 score, and language department center called me to come to the LDC, and I have to memorize 10 vocabulary, misalkan gitu. Jadi hukuman pertamanya gini-gini nih. Jadi step by stepnya clear. Nah, that's why you are agree. For example, I think language in Darul Mukni, especially in rules, is not good. Misalkan gitu. Kenapa? Why? Because language department center student was not good enough in dakwah. Misalkan gitu. What situation? Situasi apa? For example, when I speak toxic language, language department center members directly cut my hair, misalkan gitu, langsung botak, and didn't follow the rules, tidak mengikuti peraturannya. How about, what do you think about Darul Mukni Arabic language? Gimana bahasa Arabnya? I think most of the student of men, especially boys, they really like Arabic than English. And in female girls, they really like English. That's, I think. Misalkan gitu. And about punishment, hukumannya gimana? I don't like it, misalkan, because it not push myself, itu tidak mendorong hidup saya to be better, untuk lebih baik, misalkan gitu. Bisa ditanya lagi, what kind of punishment that can push yourself to be better? Hukuman apa yang bisa membuat diri kamu lebih baik, misalkan gitu. And then about English language, bahasa Inggris gimana? What do you think about English language in Darul Mukni? I think English language in Darul Mukni is good. Even English language is difficult language, difficult to pronounce, but I like it. For example, I don't like English. I think I don't like English because I don't like it, misalkan gitu. Nah, itu untuk malam Kamis. Nah, untuk malam Sabtu yang number 3. What do you think about your classmates, teman kelasmu? Your English, bahasa Inggrismu. Your roommates, teman kamarmu. Your teacher, gurumu. Your Arabic, bahasa Arabmu, etc. Yang lainnya apa? Misalkan your cupboard, lemarimu gimana? Your fashion, your stylemu gimana, misalkan gitu. Jadi biar nanti bisa ditambahkan, bisa diimprove oleh mualimnya. Contohnya begini, what do you think about your English? I think my English is bad because I don't really like to speak English. That's why I think my English that's not good. Nah, begitu. Atau your classmate, what do you think about your classmate? I don't like my classmate because when I sleep, they get me up greedy, kasar gitu banguninnya. Nah, that's why I don't like my friend, misalkan gitu. Atau you can say, I like my classmate because they, when we do something, we always together. Gitu. Teman saya baik kalau kayak saya melakukan sesuatu, ya selalu bareng-bareng kayak gitu. Jadi kayak gitu ya. Itu untuk 1 minggu ini. Oke? Jangan lupa dipronounce dulu, dilatihan dulu ke anak-anaknya, kemudian tanya satu-satu. Oke? Nah, ETS itu nanti bisa ditambahkan. Bisa juga tadi yang nomor 1, what do you think about Darul Mughni chicken? Atau kan bisa nanti unek-unek anak-anak tuh keluar. Jadi nanti mualinya menyiapkan mufradatnya. Oke? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.